Okay, it's nature journal time. I don't even remember what page we're on. I think 10. Yep, 10. So we're going to get out our little kit and we're just going to, grab a random selection. I have not had time to do anything. I haven't had time to print new quotes or any of that, so we're just gonna keep dealing with this as is for now. So let's see what we've got. Yeah, and this is one of these printed quotes. It says, "See the world and love it." And I pulled out this little hot air balloon one, so I have a hot air balloon sticker and some world stickers. Some assorted lined papers. I'm just gonna jump in and slap stuff together. Try and get back in frame for you. I'll keep this one as text, I think. Down here at the bottom. And I think I already lost my piece with the quote. I think it'll show up on a piece of this. So, and I believe this one's a sticker. So let's find out. I know these stickers peel better from the front. I don't know why I keep trying to do them from the back. I bought a little rolling cart from Amazon to organize some of my junk journaling supplies into, and I just haven't even had 3 minutes to attempt to assemble it. This is a piece of one of the packages of stuff I bought, but I just thought it was cool, so I hung on to it. So I'm going to add this in here, and I think I'm going to put this piece down at the top before I put my quote on, because it's larger. Not everything has to be overthought. That's sort of the purpose too. Junk journaling is just to have fun with it and let it flow however it works. So what else do we have up here? Oh, that's cool. I don't think this is a sticker. I don't know though. Nope, it is. So we're going to put that right here. And I've got a bunch of stamps. Oh, this one's cute. I'm going to find a place for that. Definitely up here. And I do want to find a place for this one with this hot air balloon, because I'm going to put this balloon in here for sure. So, and that'll tie the two concepts together. Any of these pieces I don't use on this spread go back in my main supplies. So, but I think in this case I may use everything I pulled. So I think I'm going to overlap this one up here like we were looking at these through the telescope. What else do I have? Oh, a moon. Did we get to see the eclipse this week, anybody? I got to see most of it. Some of it I was at work, so I had to kind of dart in and out to take a glance. But it was pretty spectacular. Can I see which way the writing goes on this? Yeah. Not too concerned. I have one more sticker that I think I just pulled for it being another piece of the world and just a little bit more color. So I think I'm actually going to potentially leave it at that, but I'm going to look at my other stickers real quick just to make sure. Let me put one of these little butterflies in just for an added pop or two. So that's it. That's going to be the entirety of page 10. And someday I'll actually get one of these in frame. So I feel pretty good about that. That's actually what this was intended to be, was super quick. So that is it for this week's installment. Thank you for watching. I am hoping to get to binding the journal for my trip down memory lane with my kids this week. So hopefully we'll be getting started on that soon as well. And I might do a studio vlog of assembling my cart and working on some other stuff, sorting through the tub of pictures. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you next week with page 11.